In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Asana workspace with ChatGPT. Once connected, ChatGPT can access the Asana projects, tasks, and comments you authorize. This makes it easier to find project information, summarize progress, identify overdue tasks, and manage your work directly from ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your web browser or launch the ChatGPT desktop application. Make sure you're signed into the ChatGPT account you want to use. Next, open the Plugins section from the left-hand sidebar. Inside the Plugins directory, use the search bar to look for Asana. Once Asana appears in the search results, select it and click Install Plugin. Next, click Connect or Sign in with Asana. A new window will open, asking you to sign into your Asana account. Enter your login information and continue. Now, review the permissions ChatGPT is requesting. Depending on your account, you may also be asked to select the Asana workspace you want to connect. Click Allow to authorize the connection. If you're using a company-managed Asana or ChatGPT workspace, an administrator may need to approve the connection before you can use it. Once the authorization process is complete, return to ChatGPT. Asana should now appear in your list of installed plugins. ChatGPT may need some time to sync your Asana workspace before all your projects and tasks become searchable. To test the connection, start a new conversation and enter a prompt such as, "Find my overdue tasks in Asana and organize them by priority." ChatGPT will search the Asana content you're authorized to access and use the relevant information to generate a response. Depending on the available features and permissions, you may also be able to ask ChatGPT to perform supported actions, such as creating or updating Asana tasks. ChatGPT should ask for confirmation before completing important actions. Keep in mind that ChatGPT can only access the Asana workspaces, projects, and tasks available through your connected account. It cannot access private content that your Asana account does not have permission to view. And that's how to connect your Asana workspace with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy ChatGPT and Asana tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.